Issue management is an organization and a project feature. With issue management, you can create and maintain something as simple as a to-do list, or something more complex like a new feature for your product that has a natural hierarchical issue structure. All members of a group of coworkers type of organization and the organization owner of a group of clients type of organization have access to that organization's issues and all issues of all projects within that organization. Clients of a group of clients type of organization only have access to the issues of the projects that they belong to within that organization. To get to the issues of an organization or project, first go to the organization or project homepage. A pull-down box with quick links to all of your organizations and projects can be found at the top of all pages. Or you can just scroll down in your member homepage and click on the link to one of your organizations. From the organization or project homepage, you'll find a quick link to go to the issue selection and entry page or to a specific existing issue. Or you can just scroll down and click on the organization or project's issues link. The issue selection and entry page is where you can enter new issues, delete issues, or modify multiple existing issues at one time. To enter a new issue, all that is required to be entered is the title. Optionally, you can check a checkbox that limits only the assignee and the organization owner for organization issues, or the project manager for project issues, to change the issue's properties, although others are still allowed to leave comments in the issue. You can add a detailed opening comment to the issue. You can add a tag to the issue. A tag is just some text you want associated with the issue, like a version number or a release string. You can assign an assignee to the issue. The assignee must already belong to the organization for an organization issue, or they must already belong to the project for a project issue. You can add a due date to the issue. You can assign a priority, difficulty, risk, and scope ratings to the issue. You can assign one or more parent issues and one or more child issues to the issue to create a hierarchical framework of issues or a list of issues where conceptually one issue needs to be done before another can be started or at least finished. When you're finished entering the issue, just click on the Add Issue button. Here, I'll just demonstrate creating a parent issue with two child issues. I can create the issues in any order, but here I'll create the parent issue first. For the title, I'll just use Parent Issue. For the detail, I'll just add that this issue is composed of two child issues. And then I hit Add Issue. When the issue selection and entry page comes back, you'll see the new issue listed at the top, and then you'll see the multiple issue modify block we'll use here in a moment. Now I'll create the first child issue. I first need to note the parent issue number, as that will be used in the creation of the child issues. I'll title this issue Child 1, and put the parent issue ID number in the parent issue ID numbers field. Then hit Add Issue. Now I'll create the second child issue, titling it Child 2, and putting the parent issue ID number in its parent issue ID numbers field, and hit Add Issue again. Now we see all three issues. I'll go ahead and modify the two child issues tag, priority, difficulty, risk, and scope settings together. First I check the checkboxes for the two child issues. Then I go to the multiple issue modify block, into the tag field, and I'll just enter child issue. Then I'll set the priority for the two issues, the difficulty, risk, and scope, then hit the Modify Issues button. When the issue selection and entry page comes back, we'll see these new values. Lastly, I'll go into the first child issue and enter a comment. First I click on the issue link that takes me to the issue page for that specific issue. This page allows me to modify this specific issue's properties. I can change its title, status, tag, and so on, and I can leave a comment, and I can upload a document as an attachment to the issue. Here I'll set the status to active to indicate the issue is actively being worked on. When the issue is finished being worked on or otherwise no longer an issue, you can set its status to resolved. Now I'll add a comment, and then just hit the Save Issue button. And that's the basics of issue management. Thanks for watching.